Hi students and friends and viewers, welcome to this channel Satish Kis. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College Man, Srikakulam. So today I am going to explain the 2 marks questions in MSc Organic Chemistry synthesis paper. So these are the very important questions in Dr. BRAU semester 3 examination. So first of all, I will discuss the important questions in Unit 1, that is called formation of C bonds. So the first question is, what is an umpalong, or what is a concept of umpalong? So second question is, what is an enolate? So how to prepare enolate? And what are the enamines? And how to prepare enamine? And what is a Stark enamine reaction? And also the next important question is, what are the carbenes and carbenoids? And also what is the statement of aldol reaction? And what is a Gell-Mann reagent? Or what are the important reagents of copper used in organic synthesis? And what are the Palladium catalysts used in organic synthesis? All these are the very important questions. So I will discuss one by one question. So first of all, umpalong. So umpalong word is a German word. So it is introduced by Seebath scientist. So umpalong means dipole inversion or inversion of polarity. So how can we give the statement for this umpalong is, transformation of a normal polarity of a atom or a functional group is reversed. That means the electrophilic carbon of a carbonyl compound convert into nucleophilic, as well as the nucleophilic carbon convert into electrophilic. So this concept is called a umpalong. So we see the one of the example in C bond C formation of benzoin condensation. So it is a cyanide type umpalong. So benzaldehyde carbonyl carbon is electrophilic. So in the presence of KCN or NaCN, so it convert into a nucleophilic carbon, that means benzoyl anion equivalent. So this benzoyl anion equivalent, further it will react with another mole of benzaldehyde to form a benzoin. In this reaction we have see the product. So a new C bond C formation takes place between two electrophilic carbonyl carbons of benzaldehyde. So this is the one of the example for umpalong reaction. And also the acyl carbocation convert into acyl anions. In this case acetaldehyde reacts with trimethyl silyl cyanide followed by basification. So the carbonyl carbon convert into nucleophilic. Dithiene chemistry also useful for the umpalong reactions. All these are the very good example for umpalong. So see the next question is enolate. Enolate means anion of enols is called a enolate. Alpha beta unsaturated alcohols are called a enols.
Generally, enolate ion is formed when carbonyl compound having at least one alpha hydrogen in the presence of strong base to form a enolate. So this enolate ion is most useful for alkylation at alpha position to the carbonyl compounds. So this is the one of the very good method for alpha electrophile substituted carbonyl compounds through enolate reactions.
So what are the enamines? Enamines means alpha beta unsaturated amines are called enamines.
These enamines are prepared from
Alpha hydrogen containing carbonyl compound reacts with secondary amines in the presence of K2CO3 or catalytic amount of para-toluene sulfonic acid. So these are the dehydrating agent. In the presence of these reagents, so alpha beta unsaturated amine formation takes place. This is called enamine. So this enamine is a most useful in organic synthesis, particularly in the case of carbonyl compounds convert into alpha substituted carbonyl compounds. So what is a Stark enamine reaction? So this is the one of the useful reaction in organic synthesis, the new C bond C formation reaction. So generally carbonyl compounds convert into alpha substituted carbonyl compounds through enamine reactions. So statement of enamine reaction is alpha hydrogen containing carbonyl compounds reacts with secondary amine. Further it will react with electrophile followed by hydrolysis to form alpha substituted carbonyl compounds. This is the very useful reaction in organic synthesis. So this is called a Stark enamine reaction. So what is a carbene? Carbene is a reactive species. It is a reactive intermediate in organic chemistry. So it is a divalent and
2 non-bonding electrons in it. And also it is an electron deficient compound. Some of the carbenes are
Cr2, Cl2, Cbr2, CH2, etc. So carbenes are two types. One is singlet carbene, another one is a triplet carbene. So what are the carbenoids? Carbenoid is a complex structure of carbenes. So these properties are almost equal to carbenes. So generally it is a tetravalent compound. So generally Cr2 bond M and bond X. So Cr2 MX. Here the metal, M is the metal, X is the leaving group, that is called halogens, etc. So these are the carbenoids. So these carbenoids are almost equivalent reactivity of carbene. Statement of aldol reaction. Alpha hydrogen containing carbonyl compounds involving in a condensation reaction or addition reaction in the presence of weak base like NaOH or barium hydroxide, etc. to form beta hydroxycarbonyl compound. This reaction is called a aldol addition reaction. What is a Gelman reagent? Gelman reagent is a copper reagent. So the formula of Gelman reagent is R2CuLi, lithium dialkyl cuprates. So these are the lower order cuprates. So these are the most useful reagent to coupling of alkyl groups with another allyl, aryl, vinyl, alkyl groups to form a coupling products, that is called a new C bond C formation between two alkyl groups very easily without any side products or wrong products we are observed in this reaction. So Gelman reagent R2CuLi. So this Gelman reagent can be easily prepared by alkyl lithium with copper 1 halide to form RCu plus LiX. This RCu again reacts with another mole of RLi, alkyl lithium, to form R2CuLi. So this is called dialkyl copper lithium or lithium dialkyl cuprate 1. So these are the most useful reagent in organic synthesis. So this reagent is almost equal to R minus. It gives R minus ions. So it reacts with any electrophiles like allyl, vinyl, aryl, etc. to form a dialkyl or diaryl or divinyl, etc. products. So next is what are the Palladium catalysts are used in organic synthesis. So generally Palladium reagents are most useful to synthesis of cross coupling of different alkyl groups. That is why the Suzuki Hack, they got a Nobel Prize doing this work. So mostly some of the reagent we are discussed here. Palladium chloride PdCl2, palladium acetate PdOCOCH3 twice, tetrakis triphenyl phosphine palladium PdPPH3 4 times, and also palladium DBA dibenzyl acetone bis dibenzyl acetone palladium 0 catalyst. All these are the reagents used in organic synthesis.
These reagents are used in some of the important reactions. Those are
Stille coupling and Suzuki coupling, Soni-Gishara coupling. All these are the most important reactions of C bond C formation reactions. Different allyl groups, different alkyl groups we can easily couple by using this type of reactions, by using these reagents. Thank you, students. These are the very important questions in organic synthesis paper in 2 marks.